I love you all. You people keep me going. You guys, the first ones who were my first customers were people from YouTube. It was on clearance for $4 and I got it. Isn't it so cute? Hey YouTube, my name is Charisma and my channel is Charisma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So today I have a haul for you all, and it's a collective haul. Today is Saturday, August 3rd. Happy Saturday. It is hot outside. I live in New York City. It is like super hot and humid. It's just like thunderstorms and everything like that. But I just got back. I missed the storms, at least the worst part of the storm, but I had an awesome day. So the haul is from TJ Maxx, Trader Joe's, and the fruit stand. I went to Chelsea, Manhattan. I love going there. I love going to Chelsea, you know, because they have everything. They have like TJ Maxx and Marshalls in one building, and then in that area they have Burlington, they have Michael's, they have Trader Joe's, and a lot of other places too. Let's start with the food items first. So from the fruit stand, they sell, the local farmers will sell fruits, and this is just the bag that they gave me. I went to the same one for my birthday. If you watch my birthday prep video when I went to get some fruits. So I planned on getting other fruits, but this man, it's the same man that's that fast talker, and he's like, all right, I'll give you this, and then before you know it, you're paying for stuff that you didn't even want. But it was like raining a little bit, so I didn't even argue. He gave me, these are seedless grapes again. I do know where to get the seeded grapes, but that's all the way up in Harlem, and I don't feel like going all the way up there. So while I was there, he gave me these. This is a 3-pounder of red seedless grapes, but hey, do what I gotta do. I also got cherries. I love me some cherries. So these are all I got from the fruit stand, some cherries and some grapes. I'll probably have to make another trip. I'll probably go to one of the fruit stands around me. Sometimes they have some, but you know, it depends. They don't always, you know, put their stands outside. Today was not one of those days, but I'll probably go back to, I want to get some blueberries, some strawberries, and some other things too. So from Trader Joe's, I got the almonds, cranberries, and cashew trek mix. So the only thing about it is, I don't know if the Trader Joe's is like this in your town, your city, whatever, but in New York City, the Trader Joe's is packed. And it's like that in Whole Foods too. You cannot like take your time, you know, look at stuff, you know, compare price. Like, it's so many people just walking back and forth doing it like fast paced. Now I can be fast paced, but when I'm shopping for food and stuff like that, it annoys me. And so I really could not really stand there to figure out what to get quickly. I knew that I wanted the almonds, cashews, and cranberry mix, but I wanted the raw mix, and no, it's not raw, it's roasted. So I just picked this up, but I got it, but I'm gonna be looking for the raw stuff because the raw is always the best. So next up, I got crunchy peanut butter from Trader Joe's, unsalted. And this is natural peanut butter, unsalted. I like it better that way. I do not like a whole lot of salt in my food. Salt is not good for you. Even sea salt, you still have to watch out for, you know, your salt intake. I'm always on a healthy journey. I'm not perfect. I do indulge in junk food sometimes, but I try to keep it healthy for the most part. So this is what I got. And then just random oregano. I needed some oregano. I really want to get a bigger one. I have some seasonings that I have to buy. Again, I have to do a special trip for that one. Because again, I was in the aisle and then other people kept coming. Like, I don't like being around crowds. I don't like lots of people around me. I'm a calm person. When I'm not performing, I'm a calm person. Okay, so now we're getting to TJ Maxx. I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day because it was super cute. I'm gonna insert it here because I did an outfit of the day video. I put it up on my Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram and you want to keep up with my fashion, beauty, lifestyle, go to my Instagram page because it is there and it is popping. Earlier on in the day, I went to the steam room. I went swimming first, went to the steam room, and just sat in there. I don't normally go to the steam room. I usually go to the sauna, but it was not working today. They have to do repairs on it and whatever, so I went in the steam room, and oh my goodness, it was just like a wonderful spa experience, and my skin needed that. So then I was like, okay, I have to wash my hair. I washed my hair. I think I'm about to get braids. Don't quote me, but I think I'm about to just do some braids because I'm tired of having to style my hair every day. Let me show you what I got from TJ Maxx. I guess I'll start with the personal care stuff. I got this, and if you watch my videos, my hauls with TJ Maxx, you probably saw this before. These are some essential oil blends, and this is tropical vibes. Everybody everywhere in the stores that I went, they already have stuff up for Halloween. Now, I don't celebrate Halloween anymore. It's been years since I did, but I used to back in the day, but I don't do that anymore. But they just had Halloween. I'm like, let the summer end. They don't want to let the summer take its course. They're like, oh, it's back to, no, it's not back to school. Because I live in New York City, and when it gets cold, we have more cold and cool months than we do summer. So I'm enjoying all of my summer days. I am a tropical girly, okay? So this one is Poolside Mimosa, Sunny Outlook, and Fresh Air. And let's see, the Poolside Mimosa is bergamot, orange bergamot, peppermint, frankincense, lemon, and spearmint oils. The Sunny Outlook is lime, lavender, tangerine, grapefruit, cypress, sandalwood, and sandalwood. Fresh Air is spearmint, melissa, sage, jasmine, and lemon essential oils. So yes, I'm glad I got these. This literally ran out today, and this was on clearance for $4. Last time I think it was like $7, so I'm so happy I got this. Next up in personal care, I got my Himalaya Whitening Complete Tooth Care. This is fluoride free, sodium lauryl sulfate free, carrageenan free, gluten free, all of that good stuff. They have different flavors, but I got spearmint. This is a natural toothpaste, so I love to get this. I love it, and it was $4.99. Also, for personal care, I got some Jamaican black castor oil. I was running out of this, and the thing is, I don't think that TJ Maxx is going to be carrying this anymore. I think they just have like what they have left over now, because I have not been seeing the Sunny Owl products. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I don't think they're going to be carrying this anymore. So I saw one, I snatched it up right away. They used to have the extra dark one. I like to get that one too, because it says it's like even more powerful, but I'm glad I got to get the 8-ounce one. I think they also have this on Amazon. They have it on Amazon. It's not too bad of a price. They have it, they have like a twin pack. So I'll leave it in my link in my Amazon store. Yeah, just pure Jamaican black castor oil. I love this for my hair, my skin. I can mix it with shea butter and do so many things with it. So yes, one of my faves, and I'm glad I found it. And this one was only $7.99. It's the cutest thing, and I saw this when the summer started, and I was like, I wonder if it's gonna go on sale. Now they do have most of the summer stuff on sale. What's left of it, I'm gonna go to Harlem to see if they have some of the summer things on sale. But look at this. Isn't it so cute? It says Peach Aurora Tea. It's a candle. Oh my goodness. So it's supposed to look like a drink, and look at that. It's a candle, and it smells so good. You smell the peach right away. I just thought it was so cute. And look, $4. Probably had to be like maybe $12 when I first saw it, and they have different ones. And look at the top like this. Now I don't think you can leave the top on it. That wouldn't make sense, because this is rubber. The fire will probably burn it, but I think that's part of the packaging. But yep, it was on clearance for $4, and I got it. Isn't it so cute? I love it. So that concludes my haul. I just wanted to share with you the stuff I got. I know you all like my hauls. I always have some cool stuff for you to share with you. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, because that way every time I post, you will be notified of everything. Our channel is growing. If we're not by 10K right now, we will be soon, and I will be doing a giveaway. Check out my website for poppin' lip gloss. The one that I have on is pink strawberry, one of my faves. It smells like strawberries. Look. It literally is one of my faves, but I have new glosses, new stuff coming out. I'm working on the website, so bear with me, guys. Even if you go on the website and you see the old pictures, it's gonna be updated. But get your pink strawberry lip gloss, support Black-owned business, charismaforyou.com, as well as my hair accessories that are on my Etsy shop. I make satin bonnets, satin head wraps, satin scarves. For those of you who have been my longtime supporters of my Etsy shop, I love you all. You people keep me going. You guys, the first ones who were my first customers were people from YouTube. Some of you still shop with me. Some of you I love. I have a giveaway coming for you all, so just stay tuned. I love you all. Subscribe, do all of that good stuff. All the info is in the description. Leave a comment. Let me know what you like. Let me know some of the stuff that you bought recently. I love you all. Thank you for watching.